व्हाट्सअप गाइस, मेरा नाम है रौनक और आज हूँ मैं पेरिस में नाडिया इन्फ्यूजन के साथ, जो आपको टीच करने वाली है डांस हॉल। और मैं आपको ये भी बता देता हूँ कि ये विनर रह चुकी है जस्ट डेब्यू 2017। सो यू थिंक यू कैन डांस ऑस्ट्रेलिया टॉप 20 इन 2014। और ये मस्ट है कि आप इनको फॉलो करो, यूट्यूब, इंस्टाग्राम एंड फेसबुक। ये तीनों प्रोफाइल्स के लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दिए। सो लेट्स बिगिन।
From when I star. Well, this is Jazzy B and Apache. So all the masses better watch it, cause you know say nobody could ever match it. One for the ladies, no more time for babies. You want to see it on crazy?
जीने मेरा दिल लुटिया, जीने मैनू मार सुटिया, जीने मेरा दिल लुटिया, जीने मैनू मार सुटिया।
Yeah.
Hey everybody, my name is Nadiah NFuZion, as Ronak just introduced me. I'm from Australia, currently based out here in Paris, France. I'm a member of the global collective Danca family, as well as the Paris-based female house crew Paradoxal. Today I'm going to introduce to you and share with you one of my main styles that I love so dearly, called dancehall. Dancehall is a dance style and a culture born in the ghettos of Kingston, Jamaica in the late 80s. So dancehall is the lifestyle of the people. It's the music, it's the language, it's the way they walk, it's the way they talk, it's the way they stand, it's what they wear, it's the food that they eat. So the founding father of dancehall, his name is Bogle, and he is actually the creator of many of the early steps of dancehall. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to introduce to you some old school steps of dancehall and make the connection between the old school step as well as what's currently happening now, which are considered the new school steps of dancehall. So the first step, one of the very first steps of dancehall, is called waistline, because it uses your waist, yeah, your hips. So basically you want to get into a low stance, bend your knees, right, lean back a little bit, and you're going to tilt your hip back and back and back and back. What's important about this move as well is to keep your torso really relaxed and moving as it naturally would, okay? As you can see, my arms are moving as it likes, my shoulders kind of tilt back at the same time, and it's just this counterbalancing act, yeah? Waistline, 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 yeah? It's almost as if you're sitting on the chair. Once you get used to it, get a bit faster, and you'll notice there's a bit of a bounce that happens too. So your waist is not just tilting back and coming up, it's also this bouncing motion. Yeah, I'll show you from the back. Bend your knees once again, tilt a little bit, twist, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're gonna pick up the pace now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's the old school step. Now one of the new school steps that utilizes this exact groove is called Fling Yuh Shoulder. Yeah, and that's a dance step created by Ding Dong. Although it's actually in your shoulder, the groove still has its base in the hips, so in the waistline. So the beginning of it is you fling your shoulder. Hey, hey, you fling, pa, pa. And you notice your hips are moving with it. Ha, hey, hey, hey. Fling, hey, hey, hey. Fling, ha, ha, ha. Fling, hey, hey, hey. Yes, you get a variation of fling your shoulder. You go slow, 2, 3, 4, fling. Slow, 2, 3, 4, fling, ba. The third variation of fling your shoulder is fling, 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 fling. Hey, we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, ha, 2, 3, 4. We got that? So we're gonna do 8 counts of the waistline into the first variation of fling, second variation of fling, third variation of fling. Let's try it. So we're gonna go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and ha. Second variation, slow, 2, 3, 4, and ha. Third variation, ha, 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 2, 3, 4. So in this video, you would have seen 2 steps done side by side. The reason for that is to see the importance of how the foundation and old school dancehall steps forms the groundwork really of the new school steps today. There's a huge connection between catching the groove, the bounce, the placement of your body in old school that really benefits your new school. So basically, if you want to catch the dancehall groove or get deeper in it, old school is where it's at.
Yeah.